Hi, my name is Inma Pedregosa, and I'm going to try and explain briefly what this project, Connecta, funded by Creative Multilingualism and carried out with the help of Roots into Languages and my own university, University of Roehampton in London, came about. I've also added two icons here, Clip Flare and Pluritaf, because these are two projects I've been involved before, and they have to do with audiovisual translation and multilingualism. So it is all connected in a way, and I thought it would be two really good resources for teachers and lecturers to have. Now, when we decided that we wanted to do something about films and something about languages, we designed a competition, and we published this leaflet, and we reached to different schools in England. What we wanted to do from the start, it was not only to create a competition, but for us the key thing was to create resources for this competition. We met different people. I bumped into a film director at the London Film Festival who recommended me this book by Bertala, The Cinema Hypothesis, and this was just it was just to get the ball rolling and made us, the team, think on what we could do with this film competition. We created a Google Classroom for any students and any teachers who wanted to join us, and the key for our project was what we call the learning packs. We did 9 in the end. We did them in 4 languages, so English, German, French and Spanish. And these are packs which are still downloadable from the AURI website, the Creative Multilingualism website, so please download them, please use them. Now, this project was successful only because we had many people involved. These are 3 of our lovely students who were helping us to doing the films and doing the learning packs, and it was only with their help that this competition could happen. Now, at the beginning, over 20 schools replied, some of them even from outside England, but in the end, and we realized it was really hard work, in the end only 4 films met all the requirements of the competition, which are here with the films they submitted. Now, these were the requirements. I mean, the films had to be under 10 minutes long, they had to use more than 1 language, and in the end we received, it was only 4 films, but we received over 10 languages from 3 different continents, even sign language, which was really lovely to see. And it was also very interesting to see the creative use of subtitles, for instance, and I'll show you an example a bit later. So we did a festival in the end. It was last July, and these are 3 of our winners. And last but not least, we had the incredible help of some sixth form students who were doing work placement with us at the time, and basically they were our unofficial jury. They watched the films, they designed the diplomas, they thought of the prizes, and they even wrote the script that we were going to read at the festival. So these are examples of the 4 films, and you can see the use of subtitles. It's a very different look, but very interesting. And this one, that's what I was talking about, the translator's notes. So all in all, we had in the festival we had about between 30 and 40 people, and we could all vote for our first for our favorites, and these are the prizes voted by the public. But also, before doing this, we wanted to make sure that every film had a prize awarded. So before that, and when I mean we, I meant some film lecturers and some language lecturers, we awarded these prizes for all. So in any case, and as a summary, just an amazing experience, a lot of work, but something we would definitely love to do again. And this is something we could only do with the help of the funding that we received from Creative Multilingualism.